Hi dear children, welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. Dear student, in the previous class we were discussed about exercise 7.6 in the A main, B main and C mains. Okay dear student, today we are going to discuss about in the continued part of exercise 7.6 D main, E main and F mains. Okay dear student, shall we start? Yes, what is the D main? Write the fractions in ascending order. Given example is there 1 and 2. Okay. Yes, dear student, the examples you see the given fractions or denominators are same. Yes, dear student, this is 6 by 18, the next 9 by 18, 3 by 18, 5 by 18 and 17 by 18. We call in the dividing line, above the dividing line 17, then below the dividing line is 18, you know already. Okay. When the given fractions denominators are same, how do you find out which is bigger fraction, which is smaller fraction? Yes, dear student, you see, when the given fractions denominators are, which fractions numerator are greater? Which fraction numerator are greater is that fraction is greater fraction. Yes, dear student, when the given fractions denominator are same, in the which fraction numerator is greater, that is the greater fraction. Yes, dear student, that's like when the denominators are same, which fraction smaller the numerator? Which fraction smaller the numerator, that is smaller fraction. Okay, dear student, are you clear? So now you find out in the arranging, this one is ascending order. When we arrange the fractions in ascending order, you start smaller to bigger. Yes, dear student, smaller to bigger. So in these fractions, which is smaller? So you identify which fractions denominator are same, which fraction numerator is very smaller, that is the smaller fraction. So here which count the numerator, which is smaller? Yes, 3 by 18. This 3 is the smaller, this is very smaller, you take first, this is. Okay, you write here, because you are arranging smaller to bigger, that is the ascending order. Okay, first one is 3 by 18. Okay, dear student, the next neglect this one, the next compare other numerators, which is smaller? Yes, 5 is the smaller compared to 9, 6, 17. You don't take denominator, you don't think denominators, you just think about numerators. Okay, which is smaller in these numerators? Yes, 5 is the smaller. The next you write 5 by 18. This is the second. The next 6 by 18. Yes, this one, this you take third. The next 9 and 17. This 9 and 17 compare. 9 is the smaller. Yes, this you take, this is fourth. Then you take, this is fifth. Okay. The next 3 by 18, 5 by 18. The next 6 by 18. Next 9 by 18. Yes, student, 9 by 18. The next last one is 17 by 18. Yes, yes, this is the arranging of ascending order in fractions. When the given fractions or denominators are same, when which fraction numerator is smaller, that is the smaller fractions. Okay, dear student, which fractions numerator is bigger, that is the bigger fraction. Have you understood already? Yes, dear student, this like you arrange 3 by 18, 5 by 18, 6 by 18, 9 by 18 and 17 by 18. This is the ascending order of given fractions. Okay, shall we move to the second one? Are you understood? Okay. The next here, second one is numerators are same. See, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Denominators are changes. Here numerator is same. When the numerators are same, dear student, observe, when the numerators are same, which fraction is smaller the denominator? Which fraction is smaller the denominator, that is greater fraction. Yes, dear student, when the numerators are same, which fraction smaller the denominator? Which fraction smaller the denominator, that is greater fraction. Yes, dear student, that's like in the when the given fractions numerator are same, which fraction denominator is bigger, that is smaller fraction, so now you find out which is bigger fraction, which is smaller fraction. Then next you arrange ascending orders. You know method of ascending order is smaller to bigger. So in these fractions, which is smaller, in the given fractions numerator is same, when which fraction denominator is bigger, that is the smaller fractions. Compare these denominators. This is 15, 32, 9, 23, 19. 32 is the very smaller fractions. Compare these fractions. Okay, now you take this is first because smaller to bigger. Okay, the next 32 you neglect 32. The next other fractions you observe which is the greater. This is 19, 23, 9, 15. So this is the second one, 23. The next 19 is the third fraction. The next 15 is fourth. The next 4 by 9 is fifth. Because why? When the numerator are same, which fraction is smaller? Denominator, that is greater fraction. These compare these denominators. 4 by 9 is the greater fraction, then 4 by 32 is the smaller fraction. Now you arrange smaller to bigger or smaller to greater. Yes, dear student, you write 4 by 32. This is very smaller fraction. Compare these fractions. The next 4 by 23. The next 4 by 19. 4 by 19. The next 4 by 15. The next 4 by 9. Yes, dear student, in these fractions 4 by 9 is very greater. The next 4 by 32 is the very smaller. This is very smaller. This is very greater. We arrange smaller to greater, because this is ascending order method. Yes, dear student, understood these two examples. How do you arrange the fractions in ascending orders? In the given fraction, the numerators in here, denominators are same, here numerators are same. You don't confuse. Okay, dear student, are you clear? Yes, move to the E-main. In the descending order, we are arranged already ascending order. Now descending order. In the following fractions arranging in descending orders, that is E-main. In the first example is 6 by 22, 21 by 22, 12 by 22, 22 by 22, 19 by 22. Yes, dear student, when we arrange the fractions in descending order, your arranging method is greater to smaller. It means bigger to smaller. You arrange bigger fractions first, then last a smaller fraction. Okay, dear student. So observe these fractions, which is smaller, which is bigger. You know, dear student, already when the given fractions denominators are same. When the given fractions denominators are same, greater the numerator. Which fraction is greater the numerator? That is greater fraction. Which fraction is greater the numerator? That is greater fraction. So you identify which is greater numerator. Here this is 6, here 21, 12, 22, 19. Here 22 is the very greater. So 22 by 22 is the greater fraction of these compared to other fractions. So you take first this one. The next neglect this. The next compare other fractions, which is greater. Yes, 21. The next 21, because the denominators are same. The next numerators you identify. Okay. The next, this is you take second. The next compare to other. Yes, 19 is third. The next 12 is fourth. The next 6 is fifth. Because why? The denominators are same. Which fractions numerator is greater? That is first. You take first, because ascending, you are arranging greater to smaller. Which is greater? 22 by 22 is the greater. You don't think about 22 by 22 numbers. You don't think about. This is one of the fractions. You don't confuse. So you arrange which fraction bigger, that you take first one. Okay. The next second one is 21 by 22. Next 19 by 22. The next 12 by 22. The next 6 by 22. Yes, dear student, this is the method of arranging in fractions descending order. That's descending order method, you know, bigger to smaller. Here 22 by 22 is the, compare these other fractions, this is very bigger. So you take first, the next downwards. It means this is compared to 21 is smaller, 19 is the smaller, 12 is the smaller, 6 is the smaller. This is bigger to smaller arranging. Are you clear, dear student? Okay. The next, second question. Here numerators are same. Here, dear student, numerators are same. Here numerators is 11 by 15, 11 by 19, 11 by 24, 11 by 32, 11 by 21. Here your arranging method is bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Dear student, in the given fractions, numerators are same. Numerators are same. Which fraction denominator is very smaller? Which fraction denominator is very smaller? That is the greater number. That is the greater fraction. So you observe which fraction is which fraction denominator is very smaller? Yes, dear student, yes, 11 by 15 is the greater fraction. Because why? Numerators are same, the denominators, which fraction? Very smaller number, that is greater fraction. Are you clear, dear student? The next, compare these fractions, which is a smaller denominator. Yes, 19 is the smaller denominator, you take second, this one. The next, compare these fractions, which is the smaller denominator. Yes, 21 is the smaller denominator, you take, this is third step. The next, compare these two fractions, which is smaller denominator. 24 is the smaller denominator, you take, this is 4. The next, last one is, this is 5th. Because why? When the given fractions in the numerators are same, which fraction denominator is very smaller, that is greater fraction. Are you clear? Yes, that's like in the given fractions, the numerators are same, which fraction greater the denominator, that is smaller the fraction. That is smaller the fraction. That's why we take 32 is the fifth stage. Because why? We are arranging greater to smaller. Now you arrange. Dear student, first 11 by 15. Come on. 11 by 19. Come on. 11 by 21. Come on. The next 11 by 24. The next 11 by 32. This is the arranging of descending order of fractions. Okay, dear student, are you clear? I hope you understanding these concept of ascending and descending order. In the one of the example is denominator is same, another one examples is numerator are same. So don't confuse any problems here. Okay, dear student, are you clear? Yes, move to the next main. Okay, dear student, shall we move to the F main? Compare the fractions given below using greater than, less than, or is equal to sign. Yes, dear student, these examples belongs to your textbook, fill in your textbook. Okay, dear student, the first question, 5 by 7 compared to 3 by 7. Here denominators are same. When the denominators are same in the given fractions, which fraction is greater than numerator, that is greater fraction. Are you clear already? Okay, dear student. So 5 by 7 is the greater compared to the 3 by 7. So use the greater sign. Yes, 5 by 7 greater than the 3 by 7. Is the student clear? Yes. Move to the second question. 18 by 23 compared to 18 by 32. Here numerators are same. So when the numerators are same, which fraction is smaller the denominator? Which fraction is smaller the denominator, that is greater. So 18 by 23 is greater than 18 by 32. Yes, dear student, is greater than 18 by 32. The next, move to the third one. 13 by 31, 31 by 31. Yes, dear student, observe denominators are same. When the denominators are same, which fraction numerator is greater, that is the greater fraction. So compare these two fractions. 31 by 31 is greater. So 13 by 31 is less than the 31 by 31. Are you clear? Yes. Move to the fourth one. 6 by 13, 6 by 17. So dear student, here numerators are same. When the numerators are same, which fraction denominator is smaller? That is greater fraction. So 6 by 13 is the greater compared to the 6 by 17. So this is use the sign greater sign. Yes dear student, are you clear? Yes. The next concept, like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike fractions. Dear student, fractions which are fraction with the same denominators. The fractions with the same denominators. Here see 8 by 12, 3 by 12, 9 by 12, 5 by 12. Here all fractions have the same denominators. 12, 12, 12, 12. Yes, dear students. So, which fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions? Okay, dear student. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Yes, dear student. 8 by 12, 3 by 12, 9 by 12, 5 by 12. You take any fractions, but denominators are same. Those fractions are like fractions. You give another one example. Yes, 3 by 9. So 4 by 9, 8 by 9. The next 11 by 9. The next 21 by 9. Denominators are same. These fractions become like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Are you clear, dear student? Yes. The next, unlike fractions. The fractions with different denominators. See, observe, dear student, the fractions, these are fractions with the different denominators. Here see 9 by 12. Here 6 by 4. The next 8 by 6. The next 4 by 5. Here all denominators are changes. So the fraction with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. The fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. Are you clear? Yes. Given one more example, you write any fractions, but those fractions are different denominators are there. Okay. Given another one example, 3 by 7. The next 9 by 6. The next 11 by 100. The next 1 by 3. The next 4 by 6. See, observe the denominators. These denominators are different. Compare 6, 7, 100, 3, 6. These are the differences. So these like fractions we call unlike fractions. Okay, dear student, are you clear? Yes. Okay, dear student. Next class we will discuss about word problems in the exercise 7.7. Okay, dear student. Thank you.